Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been scrolling through Amazon or browsing electronics stores lately trying to find the perfect laptop, you already know exactly how overwhelming the whole process can be. You're constantly forced to make compromises. Do you want something that is incredibly powerful but weighs a ton? Or do you want something super thin and light that struggles to open a few Google Chrome tabs? And more importantly, how do you find a laptop that doesn't completely empty your bank account? Well, today I am so excited to talk to you about a machine that might just be the ultimate sweet spot. We are taking a deep dive into the KAIGERR Light gaming laptop, specifically the 2026 LX16 Pro model. Now, I know what you might be thinking. KAIGERR might not be the very first household name that pops into your head when you think of computers, but by the end of this video, you are going to see exactly why this specific model is currently climbing the Amazon bestsellers rank and sitting at an impressive 4.4 out of 5 stars with fantastic customer reviews. So grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's talk about why this AMD Ryzen 7 laptop could be your next daily driver. And just a quick reminder, if you want to check the current price or pick one up for yourself, I have put my direct link right down in the description for you. Let's kick things off by talking about the design, the build quality, and the overall portability of this machine. When you pull the KAIGERR LX16 Pro out of its box, the very first thing you will notice is the color. It comes in this absolutely gorgeous high-grade gray. It has a very stealthy, modern, and professional aesthetic. Even though it is marketed as a light gaming laptop, it doesn't scream gamer to everyone in the room. There are no obnoxious, flashing RGB lights or aggressive red racing stripes here. It is highly versatile. You can confidently pull this out in a strict corporate boardroom, a university lecture hall, or a trendy local coffee shop, and it is going to look completely in place. But the most mind-blowing part about the physical design is the weight. Laptops with massive 16-inch screens are usually incredibly heavy, right? Not this one. This laptop weighs in at just 1.75 kilograms. That's roughly 3.8 pounds. It is astonishingly lightweight for its size category. When you look at the physical dimensions, it measures 14.07 inches in length, exactly 9 inches in width, and it is remarkably thin at just 0.66 inches thick. That slim profile means you can slide it effortlessly into a standard backpack or messenger bag without feeling like you are carrying around a brick all day long. Now let's go ahead and open the lid, because the display on this laptop is easily one of its biggest selling points. You are greeted by a massive 16-inch LCD screen framed by ultra-thin bezels. Those thin bezels do two things. They keep the overall footprint of the laptop smaller, and they make whatever you're looking at feel incredibly immersive. But the real magic is in the native resolution. It's not your standard 1920 by 1080 resolution. Instead, KAIGERR has given us a 1920 by 1200 display. For those of you who aren't massive tech nerds, let me explain why that matters so much. A 1920 by 1200 resolution gives you a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, meaning the screen is noticeably taller than a traditional widescreen laptop. That extra vertical space is an absolute game changer for productivity. If you are a student reading long PDF documents, a coder staring at lines of text, or a business professional scrolling through endless Excel spreadsheets, you get to see so much more of your work on the screen at one time without constantly having to scroll down. And when you're done working and want to relax, that LCD screen delivers crisp, vibrant visuals for your Netflix binges or YouTube marathons.
All right, let's look under the hood. A beautiful screen means nothing if the laptop runs like a snail, right? Well, performance is where the KAIGERR LX16 Pro truly shines. This laptop is powered by the incredibly capable AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor. This is a top-tier CPU that boasts 8 distinct cores and 16 threads, with a maximum boost clock speed of a blistering 4.5 gigahertz. What does all that technical jargon actually mean for your daily life? It means this machine is an absolute monster when it comes to multitasking. You can have a heavy Zoom video call running, Microsoft Word open, Spotify playing your favorite playlist in the background, and literally 30 different tabs open in your web browser, and this processor will handle all of it simultaneously without even breaking a sweat. Because it has those 8 cores, it is also highly capable for creative workloads. If you're doing photo editing in Photoshop or cutting together videos in Premiere Pro, the Ryzen 7 will chew through those tasks. And what about gaming? While it isn't meant to run demanding next-generation titles at maximum resolution, the integrated AMD graphics make it a fantastic light gaming machine. You can comfortably play wildly popular titles like League of Legends, Valorant, Minecraft, or The Sims 4 at great frame rates after a long day of work or school. To support that powerful brain, this laptop comes packed out of the box with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. 16 gigabytes is exactly the sweet spot you want for a modern Windows 11 laptop. It ensures that navigating through the operating system is buttery smooth. But here is the most exciting part, and something you rarely see in laptops in this class. The memory is actually upgradable. If you ever feel like you need more power a few years down the road, this motherboard supports a maximum RAM capacity of up to 64 gigabytes. That level of future-proofing is just incredible. For your storage, you get a 512GB M.2 2280 NVMe solid-state drive. Because it is an NVMe SSD, it is lightning fast. Press the power button and Windows 11 boots up in a matter of seconds. Your heavy applications launch instantly, and moving large video files happens in the blink of an eye. And 512 gigs give you plenty of room for your software, your creative projects, and your favorite games. Let's pivot and talk about the actual user experience, the things you touch and interact with every day. The keyboard on the LX16PRO is a dream to type on, but more importantly, it includes a dedicated numeric keypad. If you do any sort of data entry, accounting, or heavy math for school, having a full numpad built right into the deck is a complete lifesaver. You also have a built-in front-facing camera and an integrated microphone, making you instantly ready for all your virtual meetings, online classes, or video calls with family. For audio, the laptop features dual stereo speakers. While they won't replace a high-end home theater system, they are surprisingly loud, clear, and perfectly suited for listening to podcasts, watching movies, or hopping on video calls without needing to wear headphones. In today's wireless world, connectivity is everything, and KAIGERR absolutely did not cut any corners here. This laptop comes fully equipped with the latest Wi-Fi 6 generation technology and Bluetooth version 6. Wi-Fi 6 is huge. It means you're getting noticeably faster internet speeds, drastically lower latency, and a much more reliable connection, even if you're in a busy coffee shop or a house full of people streaming high-definition video at the same time. You also won't be struggling to plug in your accessories. The laptop features a total of 8 ports, including 3 standard USB ports. You can easily plug in an external mouse, a hard drive, or a flash drive without having to carry around a bunch of annoying adapter dongles.
Powering all of this incredible technology is a 38 watt-hour lithium-ion battery. Now, on paper, that might not sound like a massive battery, but here's the secret. The AMD Ryzen 7 7730U is a highly optimized, ultra-efficient processor. It manages power exceptionally well, meaning that single-cell battery stretches a lot further than you might expect, allowing you to get through your morning classes or your important meetings without constantly having to scan the room for a wall outlet. So, at the end of the day, who is the KAIGERR LX16PRO really built for? I honestly believe it is for almost everyone. The manufacturer specifically lists its uses as entertainment, office, business, multimedia, education, creative photo and video editing, and everyday use. If you're a student who needs to carry a laptop all across campus, the 1.75 kilogram weight makes it easy on your back, while the 16-inch screen makes writing long essays incredibly comfortable. If you're a professional, the sleek gray design fits perfectly in the office, and the numeric keypad speeds up your workflow. And if you're an everyday user who just wants a snappy, reliable machine that can handle a little bit of gaming on the side, you're getting phenomenal value for your money. When you open the box, you get the laptop itself, the power adapter, a user manual, and the peace of mind of a manufacturer warranty. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11, so it's completely ready to go the moment you turn it on. It truly represents the ultimate balance of high performance, lightweight versatility, and a gorgeous display. It's no surprise that it's a top seller in traditional laptop computers on Amazon. If you're ready to upgrade your tech and want to check out the KAIGERR Light Gaming Laptop for yourself, do me a huge favor and click the link down in the description below. Using that affiliate link is the absolute best way to support this channel, so I can keep buying and reviewing more tech for you guys, and it doesn't cost you a single extra penny. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me today. If you found this overview helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what games or software you would run on this Ryzen 7 beast. See you in the next one.